Hello and welcome to my video about 5 foods that can help clean your system. We all want to maintain a healthy body, and supporting our body's natural detoxification process is essential. Today we're going to talk about 5 powerful foods that can assist in cleansing and detoxifying your system naturally. Lemons are known for their cleansing properties. They are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can aid in flushing out toxins from your body. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can help kickstart your digestion and support detoxification. Garlic is not only a delicious spice, but it's also a potent detoxifier. It contains sulfur compounds that activate enzymes in the liver, helping it to eliminate toxins from the body. Adding garlic to your meals can boost your body's detoxification process. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli are rich in chlorophyll, which helps cleanse and rejuvenate your body. These vegetables are also high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your body from harmful free radicals. They also contain dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps remove waste from your system. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries for its potent medicinal properties. It contains curcumin, a powerful compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric can support your body's natural detoxification pathways and help reduce inflammation. Conclusion: incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can help cleanse and detoxify your system naturally. Lemons, garlic, green leafy vegetables, berries, and turmeric all play a crucial role in supporting your body's natural detoxification process. Remember to always listen to your body's needs and consult a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on healthy living. Thank you for watching.